Hello my dear friends, welcome to another lecture in linear algebra. In this lecture, we will study the what is the rank of a matrix. So our topics for study are: first is the rank of matrix and the second is the examples for this rank of the matrix. Now in our previous lecture we have studied about the pivots. So rank R is nothing but the number of pivots present in the matrix. So if a matrix is m cross n, then our rank will be R will be less than equals to m, or R will be less than equals to n, whichever it is smaller, either m or n. Now consider an example. Here take an example A, which is 1 0 2 3 3 5. So this is a 3 cross 2 matrix. Now in this we will do our operations to make these 2 points as 0. So our first operation is A2 equals to A2 minus twice of A1. So this will make this 2 as 0. And our second operation is A3 equals to A3 minus 3A1. So here again we get 0. Now what we can do is we can make this portion also as 0 using this 3. So our next operation is A3 equals to A3 minus 5 by 3 times of A2. So here we see that we have made this portion as 0. So our matrix becomes 1 0 0 3 0 0. So here we see that we have two pivots, this 1 and this 3. So our total number of pivots is 2 and our rank is also 2. Now consider another matrix 1 2 2 4. So here we do operation on our second row. The operation is A2 equals to A2 minus twice of A1. So here we see that this whole row becomes 0. So our matrix is 1 2 0 0. So our total number of pivot here is 1. So our rank becomes 1. So rank is nothing but number of independent rows or number of independent columns. Let us see some more examples. So take this example as 1 0 0 3 0 0. So here we have two number of independent rows and two number of independent columns. So our rank is nothing but 2. Now take this example 1 0 4 0. So here our independent row is this one and this is only our independent column. So this column can be written as 4 times of this column. So our independent rows is 1, independent columns is 1, so our rank is nothing but 1. Now we take our third example. This is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is an identity matrix. So any identity matrix of size n cross n has the rank n. So here this is a 3 cross 3 identity matrix. So here the rank will be 3. Now consider another example 1 0 0 0 1 0. So here we have two independent rows, two independent columns. So our rank is 2. Now in our next example we have 1 0 0 0. So here only we have one independent row. So our rank is 1. In the last example what we have is a 4 cross 4 identity matrix. So our rank will be 4. So hope you all got what is the rank of a matrix. So that is all in this lecture. Thank you for watching.